Realtors, are you struggling to build your real estate business? Not sure where to find your next client? You're not alone. One of the biggest struggles many agents face is getting consistent quality leads and actually staying on top of them. At Point Realty, we've invested in Lofty's all-in-one lead generation platform to make sure our agents never miss an opportunity. Here's how it works. The moment a lead comes in, Lofty goes to work. An AI-powered text message is sent instantly, keeping you top of mind with buyers and sellers. At the same time, automated emails begin nurturing that lead, building trust before you even pick up the phone. Inside Lofty, you'll manage everything inside your pipeline dashboard. Track every client, every conversation, and know exactly what step comes next. No more guessing, no more sticky notes, no more lost opportunities. But here's what really sets us apart. We don't just provide leads, we provide training. You'll get in-depth role-play sessions where we rehearse scripts, practice how to handle objections, and build real-world confidence before you ever make the call. We also do call shadowing, so you can hear the scripts in action and know exactly what to say when that next lead hits your inbox. Our database already has thousands of leads waiting to be converted, and more are coming in every single day. We just need a realtor who's not afraid to get on the phone and do the work that gets results. Our agents are growing their business faster than ever because they're focusing on what they do best, connecting with clients, while Lofty handles the follow-up and automation. If you're ready to level up with the right tools, the right mentorship, and a brokerage that's truly future-proof, let's talk. At Point Realty, we don't just give you leads, we give you a system to turn them into closings. So instead of waiting around for your next lead to magically appear, call us today and get plugged into a database full of ready-to-convert opportunities, because your next closing could already be sitting in our system, just waiting for you to pick up the phone.